Do you feel your cheeks are losing their shape and smile lines are getting deeper? Then this session is for you. In this session, we are working on lifting and toning the cheeks and mid-face area to bring back structure and glow. See, face yoga activates and strengthens the mid-face muscles for natural definition. And this is all backed by research. Research shows that facial exercises significantly improve cheek fullness, reduce any lines in this area, and support long-term facial symmetry and firmness. You can see the research on the screen right now. And then, why do we want to spend thousands on Botox and chemical filled serum when daily exercises like this can give us natural, lasting results? And that too, safely, gently, for free. See, this plan which we are doing today is made by our expert teachers with over 40 years of yoga experience. In today's 15-minute session, we are going to begin with light tapping to prep the skin, a little bit of oil massage in the beginning, and then we are going to do sculpting exercises which are going to work to rejuvenate the face, bring that glow. And in the end, a nice aromatherapy massage to soften the lines and give skin nourishment that it has been asking for. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin and stay with me till the end to join our free live face yoga classes made just for you. So now we apply a toner just for closing the pores. Like they are already closed, but still. But make sure that whatever toner you apply, it has to be chemical free. We don't want to be adding any chemicals when we are massaging into the skin, when we are doing face yoga. It has to be completely chemical free. Very nice. So now on this a little wet and a little damp skin, we apply little bit of face oil. So I'm applying Kumkumadi oil. Again, you have to make sure, the aroma you like. Aroma is pure and completely chemical free. We don't want to be adding chemicals in the process. Little bit of oil and just like 20-second massage we'll do. We'll do the proper massage in the end of the module, but this is just a 20-second. Just to moisturize the skin. So this is like the pre-face workout nutrition, and post-workout nutrition you will get at the end of the face yoga module. All right. Okay. Okay, let's start with tapping. We are going to cover the foreheads, the jawline and the cheek area, and we are going to do very light taps throughout the face. So let's start with the forehead first. Now using the ring finger, we do under eye taps. Now on the cheeks, you could increase the pressure a little bit here. On the neck area. So this is increasing the blood circulation in the entire face so that all our muscles are ready for the exercises, the face yoga exercises that are about to come. So you can increase the pressure in this area. Be gentle around the neck area. In front of the ears as well. So kind of waking up the muscles for the workout that is about to come. So you can already feel the blood circulation increasing in the face. So the first one, we are going to practice some vowels. So it's not a children's class, but it's oo, e, oo, e. That's all. We have to do it 10 times. How many times? 10 times. Oo, e, oo, e. Come on, everyone, let's start. Oo, e, oo, e, oo, e. Now hold for 1 second when you do that position. Oo, e, oo, e, oo, e, oo, e, oo, e, oo, e. Okay, very well. So the next one, take a deep breath before the next one. The next one is we are going to kiss on the side. So what are we going to do in this? So we are going to make a pout and then on the side. जैसे मुंह चढ़ाते थे. So we pucker the lips and shift them to right side like this. Okay, we hold it for 10 seconds and then we do it first on the right side, then on the left side, then right, left. We'll do 3 times each side. What does it do? It strengthens our lip muscles and it smoothens the fine lines around this area. So let's start 3 times on the right, 3 times on the left. First make a pout and eyes on this side. So when you are on this side, eyes have to be like this. It looks funny, don't laugh, just do it. Center, now left side. Center, now right side, last time. Left side. See, we have to make sure eyes are also moving when you are doing this because this is exercise for lip area as well as for the eyes area. Okay, so now what are we going to do? We are going to kiss the sky. So like this. This is the position and then we put the neck up like this. In this position, neck up and kiss the sky. Okay. So like a fish face. In the fish face, you do that. Don't laugh. Continue to do, please. So you will feel a lot of pressure on this side and also around your lips. And last one, we will hold up for 30 seconds in the same position. In this kissing position, you hold up. All right. I hope you can feel nice stretch in this area, in the lips area. So all these exercises that we are doing today is working around the lips area, lip and neck area. Okay, so next one is without teeth, we have to make a O. So just cover your teeth with your lips and then try to make a O. And where are your eyes? Just keep looking straight. And we are going to do it 5 times. Okay? So when we do it, we hold for 10 seconds and then we come back. Okay? So timer is there. So we hold for 10 seconds. Three times. Now we'll do it 4th time. Don't worry about how funny you are looking, just keep doing. Alrighty. Take a deep breath. Make sure that we normalize the breath in between each set. So when you move to the next exercise, your breathing should be absolutely normal. Alright? Okay, so the next one, we are going to do laugh line massage. We are going to move our tongue on this side like in small circles, like this. So you are going to move like small circles like this, move up, move down. We do it 30 seconds on the right side and then 30 seconds on the left side. We are using our tongue inside the mouth to press against this area here. And we are making small circles. So go like this, then reverse, we bring it down like this. So when you are doing this, keep your breathing normal. So 30 seconds this side, 30 seconds this side. So what it does, it softens our smile lines and strengthens the cheek muscles overall. Okay, let's start. 30 seconds this side. Now this side. Now we'll do it inside, like circle here. 3 times we'll do clockwise and 3 times anti-clockwise. And move your eyes along with your tongue movement. Now we'll do reverse 3 times. All right. Now the last one in this set, which is we are going to just vibrate the lips. So we are going to keep the mouth slightly closed and make a R sound. Okay, so this is really funny. I'm sure you may have done it when you were a child. This class is all about becoming a child again. So we do it for 30 seconds. And why is it good? It really is very good for your lips. it improves circulation in this mouth area. Okay, let's start. Everyone, 30 seconds. Sorry. You can do it. So even if it breaks, just keep doing. Okay, I think we're done. 30 seconds. We can do a little bit more. Okay, sounds good, right? Okay, so these were the exercises. So now we begin face massage. Before beginning, let me tell you which are the important points where we have to press during massage. So this is one, like here. Then you have this here, like this, with the ring finger, this point, like this area. Then here, these 2 points, this, here, these 2, middle of the ear, both sides, this, and finally this point. Okay, so these points you have to make sure, and while doing massage you will see that we have to press these points. So one, this, here, these 2 here, middle of the ear here, and then here. Okay, so let's start the massage. This is going to be a 3-minute massage, and we are going to do a combination of aromatherapy, sound therapy, and massage therapy. When you press these points, you are doing Mamra therapy using your fingers. Then if you are using pure chemical free oil which has got like natural aroma of rose, like for example I am using Kumkumadi oil, these are naturally good, and especially when you use them in a combination with massage therapy and sound therapy, they will do wonders. So aromatherapy, massage therapy, and sound therapy. So for the next 3 minutes, we are going to do this massage, focus on the sound, and keep on pressing these points using a pure chemical free oil. See, we can't be doing all these things with chemicals. Okay, so I take a few drops of oil, apply it on the face, and start the massage. sure to rub your hands as well. Okay. I hope you loved today's face yoga routine. But if you want to go deep beyond face yoga, then this is for you. At UVAP, we believe everybody is unique, which means your nutrition, movement, relaxation, and detox plan should be entirely yours too. And that's why we offer personalized wellness program, a program that is tailored exactly to your lifestyle, your body type, your goal, and your energy levels. See, because real results come from routines that fit you and which are completely personalized for you. So you can check the link below to get started with the plan, and I would see you on the inside. Bye bye.